Good evening. Can you hear me? And can you see me? Okay, awesome. So let's start this lesson. I am so happy to be here with you all once again. And I'll be giving a 10 to 15-minute talk on what life in Lavasana is like, and then I'll be answering your questions. All right, so let's start. Okay, so life at Lavasana is beautiful. It is literally a picture perfect world that is there. Aesthetically, it is so appealing. This right here, which we see, this is our director's building. Okay, let me get this into a highlighter. I don't want to spoil this. Yeah, so this is our director's building, and it is just beautiful. There are tulips blooming in the gardens. There are blue skies and pink skies and purple skies, and it is aesthetically amazing. And you can see this is when we go on a walk towards Company Garden. This is from Dalai Hills what we see, and this is from the campus itself. Now uh, I reached Labasna on 25th of August 2019. This was the day, one day before my joining. So 26th, I was supposed to join. And it was raining heavily the day I reached. It was absolutely pouring. I was terrified that the papers I had in my hand were going to get wet. And मतलब मेरा admission ही नहीं होगा लवासना में और कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो जाएगा. मेरा signature मतलब वो मिट जाएगा और मतलब होगा ही नहीं मेरा एडमिशन. इस पे सेकंड मेरे को हेडेक क्या था? माय लेग्स हर्ट. Labasna is steep. From the moment you enter the Ganga gate, if you even dream of going to the mess, you have to pray to God to carry you till there. It is so steep. Okay, this is just the beginning of the Ganga hostel wala shed. It goes all the way like this, then it goes all the way over there. This is the Happy Valley hostel, and the mess is even more north. Okay, so it's almost built like on a mountain, and it is very steep. Your legs hurt while walking. You get a lot of leg strength in Labasna, that is for sure. Okay, then one thing, हमारा जो पूरा वो आया था ना admission form. I keep saying admission, but basically the way the invitation that we got, the welcome form that we got, it had only one single letter sentence in bold: jeans are not allowed on campus. बाकी कुछ भी बोल्ड नहीं था. आपको कहाँ रहना है, कब रुकना है, कब क्लास के लिए आना है, कब जाना है, कब, when you have to do what, who you have to interact with, what are the rules, regulations. Nothing was in bold. The only thing that was in bold was that jeans are not allowed on campus. So this was something we found very funny. Why is this the most important thing in the entire letter that you are sending us? But anyway, one exception we fought for. We are like, please, 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 faculty, please, please let us wear jeans on DJ night. So it's almost like college. Okay. So anyway, on DJ nights, we would have this entire preparation, and initially we would have it in the A.N. Jha lawns, but then they didn't like it in the A.N. Jha lawns because the lawns got very sad and the gardeners got very sad, and we didn't like that either. So we started having them in the OT lounge, in home turf, etc., etc. These are just different places in Lavasna. Then the next torture thing in Lavasna is PT. This is something you really bond over your batchmates with. Everyone hates PT. Morning PT starts at 6 a.m. It is located at Polo Ground. Polo Ground is about 2 kilometers away from Ganga Hostel. If you are in any other hostel, it is even more further away. And it is down a very, very, very steep slope. So in the morning, you'll still reach. But after PT, when you're exhausted, to come back up that slope, that nobody enjoys. My legs hurt. Your legs do hurt in Labasna. Okay? And you may note that you are required to be on time. For everything, you may note that you are required to be on time. right? This is our polo ground. It is beautiful and it is one of the most stunning views from Mussoorie. And we only cribbed there about how much PT we have to do. Yeah. The campus is beautiful. Initially, I used to feel very awkward over there. So many people I don't know, that I'm in a professional relationship with all of them. So I felt very awkward. Initially, I used to walk almost looking at the floor, but then soon you make friends and then you do become comfortable over there. So it's a beautiful campus. This is our Drupshila lawn. This is one of the views from the mess. These again are the tulips. These are the magnolia trees that we had over there. This is the director's lawn. This is the director's building. And this is me just, I mean, soon you become so comfortable, you will be climbing trees in sarees, in groups. Okay. So initially, I felt really, really awkward. But I did get comfortable very soon. We did loll in the lawns in the sun, and it was amazing. The treks are beautiful. They are very beautiful. We had 4 short treks and one long Himalayan trek, and then we had optional trek. So these were compulsory, the 4 short treks and the Himalayan trek. And it is a stunning beauty. And there's a lot of camaraderie that you build on the trek. I mean, किसी को आप पानी पिला रहे होते हो because that person is very dehydrated. Somebody kind of twists an ankle, and you know it's not very easy. So we spend a lot of time building each other up, lifting each other up, and we build a lot of friendships in this time. And you also, at the Himalayan trek, you get an intense appreciation for plumbing, and you really, really wish for an ODF free India. Okay, this is something that normally you don't appreciate. Yeah. Now, so this is one of the views from the trek. This is us crossing a river on the trek. Yeah. This is, we built a snowman on the trek, or a snow woman as we may like to call it. These were our tents. So from far away, if you view the trek, these are our tents. Yeah. So the trek is a beautiful experience in which you build a lot of friendships. And classes, I mean, I don't even have any pictures from the classes. Classes are the last thing that we actually really think about in Labasna. All of us are so exhausted academically after preparing for the 2PSC exam that, okay, yes, there are classes, they are absolutely mandatory. There is no leave that you get from a class. This is like going to work, right? And you may know that you are required to be on time. Punctuality is something that Labasna does not compromise on, and I think none of us should compromise on, right? So you can't use your mobile phone, the faculty will take it. Your neighbor is expected to wake you up if you go to sleep, okay? But out of loyalty, your neighbor should never wake you up. This is a said rule. The faculty will tell them कि भाई अगर आपके साइड में कोई सो रहा है उसको उठा दो, but it is your prerogative that you do not wake up the fellow OT. That person has just found a few minutes of peace in a classroom, and you don't wake them up, you let them sleep. This is us preparing, me and some of my friends just preparing for an assignment, right? We get a lot of assignments over there. So this is in Charleville Cafe, right? It's attached to the campus only. So we just sat there and prepared for an assignment. यहाँ पे internet नहीं आता, there's no network connectivity, so we can sit and actually type without thinking. Extracurriculars are just too many. I, of course, participated in dance. That is me doing bhangra, something I had never done before. So even as a dancer, I could find new things to participate in. And you will definitely find something. This is again, these are bhangra. We did bhangra. They did Haryanvi dance. So there were a lot of things there. There is painting, there is athletics, there is cooking, there is horse riding, there is running, there is long jump, high jump, discus throw, there's an athletics meet. There is, I mean, I hosted a meme competition, I did spoken word poetry. So you can do anything that you want in Labasna. You will only be encouraged. Yes, there is football, there is everything. Yes, there is cricket. Yes, there is cricket, absolutely. There is badminton. There is chess, there is salsa if you request for it, there is photography. Hockey is not there to my knowledge. Volleyball is there. Stand-up comedy is there. Western dance is there. I'm not able to follow your Kabaddi is also there. Foosball is also there. That what they play on Friends. So yeah, so there are a lot of things that are there. You'll definitely find something in terms of extracurricular, and this is the best time to explore extracurriculars. Your fellow OTs, they are the ones who make your experience. They are your network. They are your resource. They are your friends. They are what, at the end of the day, make you comfortable or uncomfortable in Navasana, and they are the ones that are with you for the rest of your career with you, and that is absolutely amazing. So this is a batch photo from my batch, and I just absolutely respect each and every single person in this photo. Many of them are close friends, many I couldn't get to know so closely, but they are all outstanding, they're all brilliant, and I was lucky to be in a place with all of them together. Thank you. This is the picture of Dalai Hill. Now I will be taking questions. OT is an officer trainee. There is gym. So regarding food, there is the mess. So we get breakfast, tea, lunch, tea, dinner. And then there is Puja Dhaba, Ganga Dhaba. There is all of Masuri food to eat. Puja Dhaba, Ganga Dhaba, you end up going to for dinners anyway because nobody wants to make that entire trek to the mess. Yes, non-veg is there. There are too many questions. I cannot possibly answer them. Your daily schedule is that you normally get up around 6 a.m. You get up around 5:30, and you reach the polo ground at 6 a.m. for your PT. Then you have classes from 9:30 to 4:30, and then you are free to do whatever it is that you want. But normally during FC, we have a lot of extracurricular engagement. During phase 1, slightly less. Yeah, during foundation course all services are there, absolutely all of them. During phase 1 it is only IS. Okay, I am going to go through some of these questions. Most memorable moments in Lavasana. Definitely the trek is very memorable. Phase 1 was the best thing that I enjoyed during Lavasana, especially my Bharat Darshan. Okay, next. Okay, ma'am, how it feels when dreams become reality? It feels good. It feels like now I am in a position to do a lot of things that I have always wanted to do. What was your best new learning in Labasana? That's a good question, Karthik. Let me think. That I don't like clicking pictures as much as I thought I would. And that I really do love wearing sarees. And I really want to learn Excel and computers and machine learning. Those are the kind of things that I'm a history student. So the classes really sparked an interest in me to learn something like um, machine learning. So we had specific classes on that, and I would like to explore that further. Was Unacademy useful to you during your preparation? Absolutely. Especially teaching for Unacademy, and before that, without Roman Seni's lectures, I don't think I could have had clarity to prepare for this exam and cleared it in few attempts. What is your best memory at Labasana? I think I already answered that. Ma'am shared the feeling of Bharat Darshan and how FC is happened there. Okay, so foundation course is very, very, very hectic. You have your morning PT, you have on Saturday, Sunday also you have compulsory treks, compulsory activities. Evenings you have compulsory shows, you have compulsory cultural performances, and you are just mandatorily having to interact with everyone. FC is foundation course. Okay, the duration of FC is 3 months, right? Yes, you do get salary. Then Bharat Darshan is like a paid vacation, and the learning that happens on Bharat Darshan is very solid. The things I learned on Bharat Darshan I could not have learned anywhere else. I don't think I can learn it on my job. Also, the kind of exposure you get during Bharat Darshan, from being on the line of control to being in a highly HIV affected tribal area, to being in a Jamnagar refinery, to being on the naval base, to going inside a submarine. I don't think that I could have had that exposure at any point of time. There was so much learning and it felt like a paid vacation. It was absolutely enjoyable, all of it. So Bharat Darshan is too good. What was your schedule today? Okay. As an IS officer, as an IS OT who is on district training, my schedule today was very, very exciting. Today, I had the inauguration of a 10,000 bedded COVID facility that we are building in Delhi. So me, my SDM, and my DM are working at building a 10,000 bedded facility in Radha Swami Satsang Bias. And finally, with 2,000 beds, it got operational today. And we had the privilege of the Honorable Home Minister and the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi coming and inspecting it for us, of inaugurating it for us. It was an immense challenge because this project got conceptualized on 14th and today it is 27th. In about less than 15 days, we could get 2,000 beds up and running from an absolutely barren tin shed about 14 days ago. So today, the most exciting part of my day was meeting the Home Minister and presenting to him. What was your strategy for CSE? Ashwin, I think I have answered this in multiple academy videos. Management optional, I know nothing about. How are you feeling after getting IAS? I am feeling empowered. What was the best experience during your UPSC preparation? Unacademy, for sure. Teaching for Unacademy was the best thing. It kept me motivated to keep going. My students kept me very, very engaged with my studies. The repeated classes helped me revise my subject, and the financial security it gave me never made me nervous. If I couldn't clear this exam, at least I knew I was a good teacher and I could have a backup option. There are too many questions that are coming up. I think you all can also see that, and it is going to be hard for me to answer all of them. After interview, how do they select us for Labasna? They basically just uh, add up the marks for the interview with the marks for the mains, and whoever get the highest marks gets selected for Labasna, depending on the list that comes out. What was your strategy for CSE? I have answered that. Right. Ashwin has asked this multiple times. Okay, let's see. I want to discuss about history optional. I think we have already covered that. I don't have an account on Telegram, but I have a lot of courses on Unacademy that what do you call it? Cover the history optional. Tanvir, I have uploaded my map work months and months and months ago on Demystify CSE. I have even replied to your email regarding this once, that my entire map work is uploaded on Demystify CSE. You can search Nandini Maharaj Maps Demystify CSE and you may be able to find it. Is Labasta the only institution where IS is trained? Yes. So every service has its own academy. IS gets trained in Labasna, the police academy is NPA, the customs academy is NASEN, the income tax academy is in Nagpur. So that way, absolutely every service has its own academy. After getting trained in Labasna, that is our overall training, we also get trained in our states. So UP State Training Academy is UPAM, Agmut Kada State Training Academy is UTCS, so that way we have those. Is mobile allowed in campus? In campus, yes. In classes, no. Hello, ma'am. Can you brief up like how many days will be in Lavasna after we get a rank and clear UPSC? So, if you get any service other than IAS, you will be in Lavasna for 3 months. If you get IAS, then you will keep going back to Lavasna. So, there's foundation course and there's phase one. My foundation course lasted from 26th of August till 6th of December. My phase one started from 9th of December and lasted till 8th of May. And then I will go back to Labasa for my phase two, then phase three, then phase four, and phase five. In which post are you? I am Assistant Collector, South Delhi. What are your strategies? I have already shared. Daily routine, I shared. What advice can you bring on give can you give on mental stress and upbringing of yourself on preparation of UPSC CSE? UPSC CSE, I have shared my entire advice, including management of mental stress. So you may look at my pre-existing videos to get any kind of information on this. Total time I took for preparation from December 2016. I started April 2019. I got my rank. I have already discussed all kinds of strategy. This is for Labasna and beyond this lecture. Okay, Tanveer, I will just see if I have my map work there. Why do most civil services officers marry from Labasna itself? Joe, I think that is kind of a statistically inaccurate statement. It's not like most of them do. But yeah, many people do marry within the academy. At that point, you are comfortable in your job and you spend a lot of time with the people in the academy. It's a beautiful place, very romantic if you actually spend that much time in it. And I think it's absolutely normal that you find someone from that you like, you get to spend time with them. It's like college, right? uh, you can email me, but I have to tell you that I am very disappointed in myself in the fact that I don't reply to emails that often. What do you need me for? What questions do you have regarding this? You can ask, or if you're in Delhi, you can of course come to the SDM office and visit me. That is not an issue. Lavasna is English medium entirely. I danced every day for 2-3 hours, Akshay. There was no question about that. I danced every single day. And without dance, I actually get a little upset. I start not feeling like myself. So it was absolutely crucial to my preparation that I dance. MacBooks are not provided. Nothing is provided as part of the course. You have to buy whatever it is that you need. If you don't have a laptop, you can get one issued, but it's not a MacBook. Yes, Kada language is taught in phase one. Any society in Lapasna can organize whatever games and competitions that they want. Is there any event on bungee jumping? You can go for a weekend to Rishikesh and do bungee jumping. Okay, what are the candidates taught? I'll tell you, we have 5-6 subjects. We have economics, we have management, we have language, we have computer, that is NIC2, and then we have history, and we have public administration. Public administration is the biggest part of our entire course. So these are the 6 subjects that we broadly have in Labasna. How's the overall performance evaluated? Your extracurricular participation, your marks in your exams, and the director's assessment. English literature is helpful if English literature is your optional. Life post Labasana is even better than I expected. To be honest, Anushka, it is quite it is quite satisfying, and I think it is especially because of the seniors that I have here in Delhi. Dr. B.M. Mishra, who is my DM, and SDM Meheroli Sonalika Chivani, who is a 2017 batch officer. Both of them are the kind of officers that I am just absolutely privileged to be working under. They think big, they execute fast. Like I said, they executed a 10,000 bedded hospital within 15 days, in much lesser than 15 days. And I, within the first week, my DM gave me the kind of wherewithal it takes, the kind of decision making it takes to send migrants back home on my own without using government funds. And my seniors also encouraged me, and they gave me a lot of responsibility of setting up systems. I had They encouraged me to find whatever solutions I could find so I could create mm, a containment zone mapping app on my own. So that is something that I am only able to achieve because of my seniors, because of the freedom that they give me and the encouragement that they give me. And life post Labasana is absolutely beautiful because of the two seniors that I have, and of course, because I have the unique privilege of being at home while doing my district training. You can do as many treks as you want, honestly. There's a daily trek called the Ganga trek, in which you walk from Ganga hostel till the mess. Then there are 4 treks in your foundation course, which are half day treks. And then there is the 10-day Himalayan trek. Okay. Dress code at Labasana is formal for your classes and everything. It is formal. In the first 2 3 days they will give you a very very detailed presentation on the dress code, so you need not worry. Of course, uh, since we will be meeting VVIPs and Lavasana, you must carry a sari or a bandkala, so the ceremonial dress code is also required. Do IRS get training at Labasana? Yes. During foundation course all services are there. Do you need to take clothes from home? Yes, absolutely. What was your greatest inspiration throughout the journey? I didn't really look for inspiration. I just kept myself motivated by watching toppers talk, by thinking about what I could do after becoming an IS officer. And I actually prepared more like a machine, in which I just shut my mind, shut my thought, and started studying the syllabus as I was supposed to. Okay, so I didn't rely too much on feeling आएगी तो मैं पढ़ूंगी. It was a very mechanized sort of thing. I tried to keep myself healthy, I tried to sleep well, I tried to dance, I tried to eat well, and I tried to just study. This was not a time for thinking when I'm getting inspired, कहाँ से motivation आ रहा है. बस दिमाग बंद करके पढ़ाई करनी है तो करनी है. It was discipline, not inspiration. It was discipline, not motivation. Okay, salary during training. So your basic pay is 56,000, and on top of that you get a DA. So about 63,000 you will be getting. There's a transport allowance as well that you might receive. So that is about it. So around 63,000 you get, but काफी कटता है Labasna में. Your messing is cut from your salary itself. If you buy anything from the store, that can be cut from your salary itself. You buy anything from the canteens, that will be cut on your salary itself. So sometimes you end up getting around 50,000. And because we also opted for a course on law, we an extra course on top of that. So we used to have 10,000 extra cut for a 40,000 ka course that most of us bought. So those months we would only get 40,000. Yeah. South Indian food. So it's the officers mess committee that decides the menu. So you can decide whatever it is that you want to get made that day. Yeah, there's the officers mess committee which gets elected, and then they decide the menu. Are we allowed to roam outside the campus? Yes, you can go anywhere you want. Yeah, only you just like if there is class, then you have to be in class. Other than that, there is nothing like that. Yeah, if there's an academy requirement that you be on campus, that's the only time that you're required to be on campus. During Bharat Darshan, do OT stay in 5-star hotels? No, they don't, not anymore. Yeah, they used to, but now we are very, very, very cautious with public money, and we do not spend it on splurging on OTs. Should we be doing PG before UPSC exam or begin after UG? That totally depends on your personal life. I cannot guide you this waywardly about something like this. This I've already answered. Are family members allowed to come? Yes, only on the first day, the day that they go to drop you, they are not allowed to come. Other than that, they may come at any point of time. So I am from the Agmut cadre. Can you go out on weekends? FC, you can't leave Mussoorie normally. During phase 1, you can apply for station leave. We obviously did not get it because of coronavirus. Do IFS and ISOTs have different classes and hostels? Not at all. That makes no sense whatsoever. Yes, my brother and my sister came. My parents already went and spent a lot of time in Labasna when they trained, so they did not come. But my brother and my sister did come. Yes, marathons do happen. There is a cross-country race for about 5 to 8 kilometers. Internet is allowed and electronics are also allowed. You are treated as adults, as officers, not as people in school. So these questions, I mean, there is no need to ask them. There are co-ed hostels. You are allowed to do whatever it is you want, and there are no restrictions like that. It is just that during work hours, you have to be where Labasna requests you. Can we get medals or prizes? Yes. Families are allowed inside Labasna. They may not be able to get a room because it is quite overbooked normally. So you can book any kind of room in Mussoorie for that. What type of rooms did you get? So there are standard rooms. There is room sharing during foundation course, and then there are single rooms during phase 1. Yes, there are exams in Labasna for absolutely every subject. You all have so many questions. I really do feel that this lecture is a little bit short for that. I will not be able to answer absolutely all of your questions, but I am so glad to see all of you here. I'm so glad that you are all here once again and that I could answer at least some of your questions. I would like to answer absolutely all of them, but I think even you understand with the magnitude of questions that all of you are sharing with me, it is not humanly possible. I am very grateful to Unacademy for inviting me for this particular lecture. and for their summit. And I thank you, Unacademy, and I thank you all the learners in this class for attending this lecture. I'm truly obliged and honored that so many of you turned up. And I hope you enjoyed my lecture. I hope you enjoyed the life at Labasana that I tried to share with all of you. And I hope that Unacademy will invite me again and I will be able to share even more experiences with you and hopefully be able to answer some of your questions. Thank you so much, everybody. Good night and best of luck.